here we have the OrionMotorTech scissor lift jack. With a weight capacity of 1,000 to approximately 1,200 pounds, this jack is the perfect tool for flat-bottom motorcycles. The kit comes complete with the motorcycle scissor jack, one pair of high-grip gloves, one extra long sleeve handle as well as a 3/4 inch hex bolt, and a user's manual. The lift range is 3 3/4 inches to just over 13 inches. The platform dimensions are 9 4/5 inches long by 15 3/4 inches wide, and the deck is covered with a safe, low-slip rubber pad. The durable, heavy-duty steel body ensures years of reliable use, and the gloss finish makes for easy cleanup from oil, grease, and dirt. The construction feels very solid, and the heavy-gauge steel adds just the right amount of heft. It has some weight, yes, but it's not unmanageable. It's heavy enough to perform the task it's designed for, and light enough so that one person can easily move it around. Let's take a moment to demonstrate the proper use of this scissor lift. Slide the lift under the flat bottom of your motorcycle, making sure you're focused on your specific bike's center of gravity. Install the jack sleeve and the hex bolt. Note, do not use electric or air-powered impact guns, as the excess torque and speed could result in loss of balance to the bike or possibly damage to the jack. Once the sleeve and hex bolt are securely attached, simply screw the jack in as you would to tighten any bolt. Make sure you keep one hand on the motorcycle to be sure you've placed the jack appropriately for balance. And when you're finished, simply unscrew the sleeve and lower the motorcycle back to ground level. Again, be sure to keep one hand on the bike to maintain balance. And that's it. Quick, easy, and super efficient. Its compact size makes it so it's not obtrusive in my shop. It's the kind of tool I can keep right here by the bay door, ready for use, and it won't be in the way. I can't recommend enough the motorcycle scissor lift from OrionMotorTech. If you own a motorcycle or work on them frequently, this is a must-have for your garage.